Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install TeamLeader Focus Action Automation for workflows in your sub account. Once you're in your sub account, navigate to Marketplace. Be at the sub account view, search for the app, and you click on it. Click on Install, and you click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, refresh your tab and you head down to the custom page. Click on the custom page and the app interface is going to pop up where we'll have access to the documentation. We'll have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guide on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup feature. At this level, the app has not yet been connected. No worries. We are going to walk you through on how to connect your app. Copy the redirect URL, head to the account which we've already created online, click on your profile and you click on My Integration. Click on Create New Integration and you enter the integration name. Then you click on Create New Integration. You choose the category. You can give an author. Then you enter the redirect URL here. Enter again. Select the scopes. Enter the scopes here and choose a country, give a short description, and you give a long description. Then you click on Save Changes. Copy the client's ID, head back to your sub account, click on Start Setup, and you paste. Copy the client's secret, head back to your account, and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup, and you click on the Authorize button. There you go. Your app has been connected successfully and set up. We have the support center. You will be able to create a ticket for our team and as well book a call with our team. We have the change log. At the change log center, you will see all the necessary notifications concerning the updates and changes made on the app. To receive the notification, insert your email and click on the subscribe button. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and remember, our team is available 24/7 to give you extra help. Thanks so much for watching.